When we were infant, we learned to walk. Today we are able to walk in such a way that we are able to talk while walking. We are able to see WhatsApp messages while walking. We are able to eat while walking. We are able to do so many things while walking. Right? And it's all made easy. Why? How? When we were infants, what happened? We used to fall. And then there were our parents, all the well-wishers around, who used to encourage us that you can walk, you can do it, get up, get up. And with a smile on our face, looking at them, we used to again get up and again start to crawl and then to walk. Right? We never gave up. We never got discouraged, but we learned a new strategy. Every time we fell, there was pain, but we realized that this pain is only for a little time. And then we used to learn a new strategy and apply that strategy to learn to walk. So also in our life, we need to look at the life with a new vision. It's like, one mother was sitting in a home on the sofa and she was doing some embroidery work. And a small child coming to him and asking him, Mother, what are you doing this, Mama? I cannot understand. Look at the mess that is there here. One thread from here, one thread from there, and all the knots and all. And what is this mess that you're making? The mother said, Child, come up, sit next to me and see from my eyes. See from the top what I am doing. And when he saw from the top, it was a beautiful design of a flower, a beautiful design. So, wow, Mama, you're making such a beautiful design. Right? So, when there's a fall and we are just focused on the fall, then we come down into that lower consciousness, because that fall, the situations which are not in our control, they are of a very low energy. And therefore, when we come into that lower energy level, that lower consciousness, then we find everything to be in a mess. And we fear what is going to happen next. Will I get the support from everybody? Will I be able to survive? What is going to happen? So, there's that fear, there's that anxiety. But let us not be in that lower consciousness. Rise to your greatness within. Rise to connect yourself with the supreme power, the supreme almighty, who are our real parents. And look from their vision, look from his vision. There is certainly something very, very great and very benevolent there in his plan. Whatever happened for a cause, for good. Whatever is happening for the better. And whatever will happen for the best. Because whose children are we? The Almighty God Father, who is known for his benevolence, who is known for making the impossible possible. We are his children. It is just this recollection of the memory, this recollection, this remembrance that who we are actually. We are the souls, the children of the God Father. And when we look from his vision, we know, we have that trust in him that yes, everything whatever is happening for better and will happen for the best. Because we are connected with him. And once we are connected with him, then we tune our frequency with him. And then we gain his powers inside us. And then there is that intuition. Our intellect is divine, and we can listen to that intuition as to what we should be doing next in order to come out of this.